What's up, family, and welcome to the channel. And today we started on my wife's kitchen. We started on her kitchen today, and she's excited about her kitchen.
I am.
She's overjoyed about her kitchen, and I like how it turned out.
Turning out.
But turning out, we picked up the wrong? It wasn't the wrong backsplash, but I'm not sure. She wanted.
I'm gonna get something different. I was trying to choose between two, and then when I looked back, I chose one, and then I thought about one of them. I was like, that would be very good for like a pop of color inside of here. So I'm gonna go back and get that one. It was at Dollar Tree.
Yeah. So when we got almost home, it kind of like hit her.
Yeah.
It like hit her like I should have got the other one.
And I'll go back later and get it.
Yeah. So we'll get the other one. Once we get the other one, then that's where you will see backsplash. That's backsplash.
I guess like backsplash.
Wall type
yeah.
thing. Kind of make it feel separated.
Yeah.
Make it feel separated from the rest of the van.
Yeah.
So as you see, I mounted the bread box that she wanted for, I'm thinking like, what kind of storage? Seasoning,
I got seasoning,
storage.
bread, whatever comes to mind.
Yeah, whatever can fit in there. Stuff it to the limit.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mounted the box where she wanted it. The table, she suggested to go with the L-shaped brackets. So of course I had L-shaped brackets in the barn.
Yeah.
So I went and got them out the barn, and we put the L-shaped brackets on the table mount. And what are you doing to that counter space?
That counter space that's beside that, it's just for counter space. I mean, extra if I want to lay something there while I'm cooking something on the stovetop. You know, my daughter can even lay her drink there or something. It's just a extra counter space. So I love the fact that when we come in here and start putting things up and just looking and talking, we get a better idea of what can be usable and what will work to go in here to accommodate all of us. So yeah, I actually chose this bread box too, the round one, because I feel like it kind of goes with it, you know, with the brown, and then he can use the black one, the other one he had for his back kitchen, outdoor kitchen, your space. But it's coming along very well. It's a beautiful day, so we decided to get out here and start on something before we go into our other activities for today. I'm trying to figure out the faucet situation with our water. So we're working and talking on that as well to see exactly where we want that to go. But of course it's going to come together. Yeah. But you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. It's about to be spring, you guys, and the sneezing has begun.
Yes.
But that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the family, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.